Dear student, today we discussed FPSC SST complete test paper held on जो 26/12/2024 को हुआ था। इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। What is the synonyms of gaudy? Flashy. What is the synonym of fringe? Border. Where is pituitary gland located? In the case of your brain. Cognitive development deals with the development of mental process. What is the current literacy rate in Pakistan? 62%. Who proposed the coin of experiences? Edgar Dale. What is the purpose of Madaris? Islamic education. Structural management deals with aligning the resources. When was Higher Education Commission founded? 2002. Who gave the inductive model of curriculum? Hilda Taba. PISA focuses on which curriculum? Reading and writing. Who gave the theory of multiple intelligence theory? Howard Gardner. TIMSS accesses the students for science, math. Who was the founding father of classical conditioning? Pavlov. Process through which experience causes permanent change in knowledge or behavior is called learning. Systematic change in the mental processes that underlie all learning and performance is referred to as cognitive development. The overprotected child will tend to display immaturity. Where is the pituitary gland located? At the base of the brain. In the 18th Amendment, in which year was the responsibility for textbook development shifted from federal to professional? 2010. Which taxonomy is referred to as depth of knowledge? Web taxonomy. What is learning? Permanent change in behavior. In the government of which Prime Minister was the single national curriculum introduced? Imran Khan. What is the current literacy rate in Pakistan? 59.13%. Which style of leadership is best for schools? Democratic. The synonyms of behavioral objectives is specific objectives. After the higher secondary level, which level of education followed in Pakistan? Higher secondary. What is passing criteria in schools in Pakistan? 40%. What is the duration of primary education in Pakistan? 8 साल. What is the highest level of solo taxonomy? Extended abstract. The synonyms of fumigate is disinfect, which is broader in scope. Aims. The antonym of sleazy is honorable. Antonym of pleasing is simple. Synonyms of frivolous is pointless. The most complex skills in cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy is evaluating. A specific problem is investigated under which type of research? Applied research. When was the 18th Amendment Bill of the Constitution passed by the National Assembly? 8 अप्रैल 2010. What is the first step of the research process? Identification of a broad area of research. Dash is defined as the practice of teaching order to obey rules or norms by using punishment to correct unwanted behaviors. Disciplines. IBVC stands for Inter-Board Coordination Commission, which government body is responsible for curriculum development and educational standards in Pakistan. Pakistan Educational Research Council PERC, which is not a type of research design hypothesis. What is a characteristic of a good curriculum? Flexible, in which research independent variable is multiplied. Experimental. What is a good quality of a counselor? Sympathy, which things shows quantitative research. Number, which is the best counseling technique. Interest inventories, which research is related to human experiences. Phenomenological research. Sampling is related to collect data. What is the opposite word of stipulate? Ignore. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.